Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning Bluetooth on now. Don't waste time. Open your device settings and tap Bluetooth so the list populates. Make sure airplane mode is off and the device is unlocked, because many systems block discovery otherwise. If the OS asks for location or pairing permission, grant it. This lets your system scan and show nearby names. Once you see scanning begin, pause to watch the list populate. That immediate view is where you'll locate the device name. Now scan the displayed list and focus on readable labels. That's how manufacturers identify hardware. Tap the device entry to open details, because many platforms show the full device name and MAC or ID there. If the name looks generic, use the rename or edit control to assign something memorable. This is how you fix confusing labels. On iOS, tap the info icon. On Android, open the device settings. On Windows, right-click the device in Bluetooth settings. These steps reveal and let you change the name. Finish by confirming the name appears on the other paired device so both ends match. If the change doesn't show immediately, toggle Bluetooth off and on or reboot the device. Many systems cache the old label. If that fails, unpair and repair. Re-establishing the connection forces a fresh name sync. As a troubleshooting tip, check for firmware or OS updates, because outdated firmware often prevents name changes from propagating. Make sure to test with a second device to verify the final result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.